Alright, in this video we will be creating a routine. So from my dashboard I go down to routines. First thing I do is to create a new routine. I'm just going to date this one. I can give it an extension. I'm going to leave it alone right now. I have to enable my routine or it will not work. If I hit allow DTMF, I can put a access code on this routine that will activate the routine. So when I call into my paging, I could dial in a number. We'll make this one 555. If I dial into my paging, hit the correct access codes 555, it will trigger this routine. Now that I've done that, I'll hit save. Come down to my new routine. Next thing I can do is create triggers, what will set off my routine. I have the number of the routine 555 that I can trigger it with. I could also do things with triggers. I have a long list here. So let's say we have an emergency all page. Or emergency call. Emergency all call. So with this, if we have an emergency all call go off in the system, I could go to actions now, and whenever I have one go off in the system, I can add a action to happen. Lots of different things to choose from. So with this, I just want to know if I have one go off. There are a lot here. I want it to email me. With this, I've got email. I want to use my email configuration I've already have set up. My subject. I can have text in here. Finish delay, there is no need for that. Finish delay is this action will happen if there are things before it. No delay means they all fire off at the same time. Hit save. I now have my routine created, so if I have an emergency all call, it will email me, or I can also dial the extension number and have it do the same thing.